Arrive in style with this 2012 Mazda CX-9. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include keyless entry, driver vanity mirror, rear air, privacy glass, driver illuminated vanity mirror, heated mirrors, V6 cylinder engine, intermittent wipers, and power windows. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.